Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today, you'll be learning about polite expressions in the Filipino language. These are quite important since politeness can take you anywhere wherever you are in the Philippines. Starting with, Pasensya na po. This could mean, I'm sorry or please excuse me. In saying this, the tone should be apologetic. Pa-sen-sya na po. Pasensya na po. Pasensya na po. Pasensya na po. Pasensya na po sa abala. Pasensya na po ate. Pasensya na po kuya. Pakisuyo po. This could be translated to a favor please. We usually say this when inside the jeepney when you ask someone to hand your fare over to the driver. Pa-ki-su-yo po. Pakisuyo po. Pakisuyo po. Pakisuyo po. Pakisuyo po. Pakiabot po ate. Pakiabot po. This translates to, could you please hand this over? Use this together with pakisuyo po. Pa-ki-a-bot po. Pakiabot po. Pakiabot po. Pakiabot po. Pakisuyo po. Pakiabot po kuya. The next one is Salamat. This is thank you in English. Sa-la-mat. Salamat. 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 Salamat po. Salamat po kuya. Salamat po ate. The last but not the least is Puede po ba? This could mean, is it possible? Puede po ba? 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 Puede po ba ate? Puede po ba kuya? These are just some of the most common polite expressions that can be useful during your stay in the country. Now, let's practice. I'm sorry or please excuse me. Pasensya na po. A favor please. Pakisuyo po. Could you please hand this over? Pakiabot po. This is thank you. Salamat. Is it possible? Puede po ba? I hope you find them helpful, especially the next time you encounter and talk to some locals. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.